Hey guys, how's everything going? This lesson is going to be very interesting and useful for you. The reason is you are going to learn how to talk about your favorite sports. Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about play, go, and do. So, some people get confused when it comes to talking about their favorite sports. Which verb to use in order to express their sports. Okay, when do we use play? When do we use go? And when do we use do with sports? Actually, there are some rules that you have to know, and I'm here to explain it. We use play with the sports. Think about hockey. You play it with a ball and in a team, right? With a ball and in a team. Again, you play football with a ball in a team. You play basketball with a ball and in a team. Good job. The next one is you play tennis with a ball in a team. And so on. So, this is easy. If you play a sport with a ball and in a team, you use the verb play. Yes, play hockey, play hockey, play football, play football, play basketball, play basketball, play tennis, play tennis, play golf. Yes, we play golf. Play chess, and play badminton. Play badminton. If it's clear, let me explain the next verb, go. And if you have to go somewhere to do these sports, yes, if you have to go somewhere, we use go. And you should add ing to the verb. For example, go fishing, go fishing, go swimming, go swimming. I go swimming on Wednesdays. I go swimming on Wednesday. Go swimming. Go cycling. Go cycling. I'm going cycling this evening. Go cycling. Go surfing. Go surfing. We're thinking of going surfing. We're thinking of going surfing. Skiing. Skiing. Go skiing. Go skiing. Go snowboarding. Go snowboarding. And go dancing. Go dancing. Yes, you have to go somewhere to do these sports or these activities. Now it's time to talk about do. Yes, when should we use do with other sports, with the sports? If you do it on purpose for your health, or if you do it by yourself, individually, we usually use do. Do karate. Do karate. My little sister does karate. Do you do karate? Do karate. Do judo. The same. We do it by ourselves and we do it for our health. Yes, do judo. Do judo. Do yoga. Do yoga. Do aerobics. Do aerobics. Do you do aerobics? Do you do aerobics? Do athletics. Do athletics. Do athletics. I do athletics every Sunday. And do training. I gotta do training. Do training. Let's wrap it up. We use play if we do or play this sport. If we do this sport, if we play the sport with a ball and in a team, we use play. If you have to go somewhere to do it, we use go. And if you do it for your health or by yourself, we use do. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.